Hey you guys, I have a small DIY and I'm going to show you really quick how I make my money card holders. So these are little card holders like where I put the gift cards. I'm going to go ahead and use my Big Shot. And this is a machine that I was given by my husband and I love it. This is a die I will be using to make the holder. It's very easy. It's very pretty. And I'm going to show you really quick on this sheet that I have. This pattern is so adorable. I decided why not make a money holder with it. All you have to do is add it to the machine, add your paper, add your die, and pass it through. That's how simple it is. You don't have to do anything else but hold it down and pass it through the machine. Pull it from the end, and then you open it up and the die cuts it right for you. It cuts through the paper once you press on it and it does all the work for you, and then you just put it together. Look how simple this stencil came out. And that's it. You put it to the side and then you make as many as you can and then you put them together. It's really simple. It's really pretty. You can add money in there. You can add gift cards. You can use any pattern that you want. That's what I love about this. You can make it birthday. You can make it Christmas. You can make it Halloween. You can make it an anniversary money holder. You can make it a Father's Day gift card. You can do so many things with these little cards, and you can add anything you want to them. And whoever you give them to, trust me, they're going to love them. So I hope this video was very helpful, especially for you, Angie. You're always asking me to show you how I make these. And I use this machine that I was given to for, I think it was my birthday. And I love it. It's called the Big Shot and it's pretty little, but it works really nice. And look at how fast I'm just making a ton of these. I mean, this machine is very helpful, especially when you're making gift cards and money holders and birthday cards and just regular cards. It really helps make all your stuff look professional and to the next level, and you don't have to buy it anymore. You can just go ahead and make your own, and you save a lot of money on cards, period. Cards nowadays are super expensive. Look at how gorgeous this pattern is, and all I'm gonna do is fold it along the lines that the die cut made. You see the lines right there? That's all I'm doing is folding it. Now the next step is to use double stick tape, and I'm going to go ahead and use this thin one. And you can buy this on Amazon. You can find this at Tuesday Morning. Anywhere there's a crafting place, you're going to find this double stick tape. It's pretty inexpensive and it has a ton. So all I'm going to do is press it on there really nice so it sticks on before I take off the first layer. So what double stick tape is, tape that goes on both sides. It tapes on the bottom, and when you take off that red little paper, it's gonna have tape on the top. That's it. That's what double stick tape is. So if you have any kind of double stick tape, you can use it. It doesn't have to be this one. It just has to be one that works and that's gonna hold your card together so it does not fall apart. You see how I peeled it off and then the tape in the bottom is clear? And that's exactly what you want, especially when you're making these little gift card holders. Then you just close it up and you're done. You close the top of it and there you go. You have a beautiful gift card holder that was super easy to make, and you can make them, as you can tell, any color, any shape, any pattern. Look at how gorgeous these are. These are just coming out really pretty. They're great for Mother's Day. They're great for birthdays. They're great for anniversaries. They're great for every occasion you want to go ahead and give somebody a gift card, give somebody some cash. This is perfect. And I'm going to do the same exact step. I double stick tape along the lines and I'm going to close it up. So that's why I love giving these. They're so easy to make. And once you make them, trust me, you're going to just make a ton of them and you're going to put them away. And when you need one, they're right there. I love to make them. And I also put them away. And then when I need one to put some decoration on, I just go ahead and go through my pile and see what I have. And if I don't have one, I just make one to the color that I want, the pattern that I need, and it's super easy, and people love to get these. Close it up, and look at how gorgeous that is. This is perfect for Mother's Day. If you're going to make one for your mom, this is perfect to give anybody who you love. They're really simple to make, and look at how easy the card is just going to go through. So you could give anybody a gift card, whatever your choice is, and it looks gorgeous right there. Go ahead and give it to them, and look at how easy it comes in and out. Isn't that super easy? You can also add money in there. It's optional. You could do so many things with these, but look at how many I made just right now. Look at the pattern on this. It's beautiful. So just go ahead and see what you come up with. You can use any kind of paper. I use a ton of mixed paper here. And then you can also decorate them. This one has 2 little balloons because it's for a birthday. I thought that was very pretty. And this one has happy birthday in the back. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then in the front, it also has some balloons because it's going to be for a birthday. And she loves green, so it goes perfect. So that's what I mean by decorating them. Once you grab a couple of them, you can go ahead and decorate it any way you want. You can add stuff to it with your Big Shot. You can also add their name. You can add the year they were born. You can add how much they're going to turn. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of ideas. I'm going to go ahead and decorate a couple of these just so you see the things you could come up with. I'm going to use a couple of scrap papers that I already had right there, as you can tell. So when I have leftover paper, I save it. I'm going to go ahead and use this die cut, and it's just a bunch of little hearts. I thought that would be so cute. So I'm going to make a couple of these hearts, and I'm going to cut them out. I'm also going to add a hugs and kisses, which you know is one of my favorite sayings. I thought that would be very good to put on one of these. And let's see what we come up with. You can do so many ideas. You can add so much to it. Whatever your imagination is what I love about this machine. And as you've seen on Instagram, I have come up with a ton of them. And some of them are so pretty that I know whoever receives it is going to know I made it out of love. So that's it. You run it through the machine. And look at how easily it's going to cut the paper. See how fast that was? And this one just says X and O. This is going to be hugs and kisses. So I'm going to go ahead and run it again until I have everything I need to decorate these little cards. So yeah, whatever you have and whatever you think of, the machine will cut it out for you. And these are just the little hearts, and I'm going to just punch them out. And look at how cute they are. Look at how cute that is. So now if you need some more stuff, all you have to do is run it through the machine again. It's that easy. If you have more stencils, add them on there. Add a ton of stuff. And if you end up using it, fine. And if you don't, even better. It doesn't matter. These are scrap papers. But look at how easy the machine just takes it away. And on the other side is just, it's ready. I think this is a better way to give somebody something because it's more personal. You make it yourself. You know exactly if that person likes black, if that person likes blue. Go ahead and make a blue one. How old that person is turning. Go ahead and put their age on there. And look at this, it's a mom stencil. And this is the one I use for the Mother's Day cards. So it's really simple. All you do is put the stencil on there as well, and you run it through the machine. Once you're done with it, it comes out on the other side. All you have to do is pick it up and the stencil cut away. Look at how easy it is to just write mom on there. You have the M and the O, and then everything else comes off, and you just have the letters you need. And that's it. If you need to do it again, you pass it through the machine again. But if not, you have everything you need. Go ahead and grab one. And for this, I'm going to go ahead and use glue. So this is the glue I'm using. The same one I always use. I picked this up at Walmart just in case you're wondering. And I'm going to do the same steps. I'm going to dab it. Why do I do that? Because I don't want any extra glue coming out. I don't want it to be messy. I just want enough glue where it holds the letters. Flip it around, add it to your little card, and press on it once you have it where you want it. Look at how simple that is. It's that simple, you guys. I just had to show you how I do it. I hope you make one. I would love to see how it comes out. And I'm going to keep going with the O. Grab the O, place it right next to the M. Make sure you have it exactly how you want it before you press it down, because once it holds under, it's not going to come up. If it comes up, you're going to rip it. And there you go. Let's add the final letter. And that's it. Look at how beautiful that is. Now you can give that to your mom for Mother's Day. You can give it to your aunt, your sister, the godmother. Anybody who you want is going to love to receive a gift card anyways. So especially on something that is custom made. And trust me, they're going to save it. Now on this one, I'm going to go ahead and write the hugs and kisses. I thought that would be really good, and especially in black because it's going to stand out even more. And that is one of my favorite sayings, as you all know. I love to say it. I don't know why. I always have. Now we're going to add the O. And we're going to see if we have enough room. If we don't, we'll leave a letter out. It's fine. And look at how cute that is. So it's going to say hugs, kisses, and more hugs. Isn't that adorable? Now the last one, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of these hearts. I thought it would be so cute to add some floral hearts on there. You won't be able to see it, but the person that you give it to will see it, because I could see it, but it's kind of hard since it does have already a rose print. And I'm going to add a flower print. But look at how cute this is. Just going to make the card pop. Once you have it where you want it, go ahead and press it down. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 more. I thought that would be very pretty. And these are great for Easter as well. They're great for Christmas. They're great for any occasion that you want to make one. Your sister's birthday, your father, your cousin, anybody, your best friend. I'm sure if they receive this, especially in the mail, they would be so happy that they got a gift card. And they can, or even if you want to add money in here, oh, that would be such a great gift. They would think they're getting a gift card and you're really giving them money. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and go ahead and follow me on Instagram and tag me on there if you're going to make one. I would love to see what you came up with. But look at how beautiful it looks. That is really pretty. I hope you guys make one. I hope you had fun making it with me. But look at how gorgeous it is. So here are some examples, and go ahead and make something. I would love to see what you came up with. And then here are some more that I already cut. I just had to show you all the different types of patterns you can use, and whatever your imagination comes up with, you can go ahead and make it. It's going to come out beautiful, I'm sure. And if you do make one, go ahead and tag me. And until next time, bye you guys.